Good morning, everybody, and night, whatever you are at. I am here with the family. The skipper has left America, and we are here at Costa Rica. Yes, you heard that, Costa Rica. And we are tired from flying, but we're going to have some fun. Isn't that right? It's my nephew. He just graduated. Congratulations. Skipper nephew. Skipper brother's coming down. I want to show his shorts up thing, you know, because this is a family channel. Don't need his beads all over the place. But that's my brother, Skipper brother. Woo! He said he took the top on. Let me see before let's see. Let's go up. Let's go up. All right, got some small stairs. Make sure I don't bust myself. Okay, I see why you took the top. This joker. Wow. So this will be his room for the week. Right now, yeah, we're in San Jose, Costa Rica. It is raining, but it's not gonna stop us. Pretty nice big closet space. Wow. Got his bathroom. Got a jacuzzi.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't be in that jacuzzi. Yeah. You're gonna have to probably pick me up like a kitty cat and get your butt out of here. This is nice. Big roof or ceiling.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this is gonna be my bathroom and my nephew's bathroom.
Nephew.
Yeah, let's see. Let me slow it up. So yeah, my bathroom, my nephew's bathroom. This is nice. Panning out. He took the first left. This is gonna be where he's gonna be sleeping at. Man, I should have put the other lens on because everything looks so close up. I am zoomed in. So this is gonna be his little area. And then I chose the one straight back. So yeah. And we all get nice views. All get nice views. This is gonna be fun. Oh, shoot, hold on, I get my own bathroom. I didn't see this. This one's hiding in the sun. Okay, never mind. So I get my own. Shoot, screw that. Man, I had my own shower. Okay, I mean, I wasn't gonna be mad at him. I would have shared. Sharing is caring, but shoot, screw that, get my own. And an own closet. With an ironing board. I just don't get a jacuzzi, but that's all right. That's okay. Yeah. Screw you, I get my own bathroom. Yeah. So yeah, you got the nice little area, kitchen. What's back here? Oh, washer and dryer.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Pre-wash sink. Oop. Oh, they give us waters. Iced already. Cooking. Cooking with the skipper. Hey, yeah. Alright, so I'm about to shower, clean up, charge the camera, charge the phone for sure, and we're gonna venture out and eat. I don't know if I'm gonna bring the camera out yet, but let you guys know. Stay tuned, because this is gonna be a lot of stuff I am going to be doing and filming. A little bit of that is gonna be hiking, volcano, ATVing, and zip lining. So yeah. I got my GoPro, I got the Sony, got my camera. Well, I'm sorry. Got my GoPro, got my Sony, got my phone camera, and all my other editing gear. So I am ready to have some fun, but I'll see you guys later. Yeah. Ooh.
How you know that? I've been around a long time. Long time.
Okay.
That's good. Very good.
Let's do another one. Salud.
Salud.
Ooh, that is good. I'm sorry.
Ya, es curado, sellado, solo como
Well, thank you very much.
You good? Live photo, no stop. No, you good.
Cricket, there, shot, and then orange with this right here. Oh, you ready?
No.
So it's cricket, y'all.
Jungle skip here. Oh, yeah, take the whole shot? Oh, I thought it was shot, then shot. Woo. Woo, woo. 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 Oh, God. That wasn't bad. Well, guess I'm in the wrong country. This don't look like Costa Rica. Alrighty, guys. Well, looks like we got some lost files that happened. So yeah, as I was editing the video, I couldn't find the outro. I looked on the hard drive, I looked on the cards, I even looked on the camera. I even looked on the my cell phone. Even though at the end of the video I was working with my cell phone, can't find it. So here we are. Yes, this is part one of Costa Rica. This basically just included the Airbnb, which is located in San Jose. I still can't pronounce the suburb. Starts with an E. Shame on me. The tour guide that you guys will meet in part three, she'll probably scold me for that one. But located in San Jose, I showed you guys the Airbnb. Yeah, so it was me, my brother, my nephew, which just graduated high school. Congratulations again, nephew. Yes, nice area. I know it's probably something really easy, but yeah, the area is very nice, very quiet. It's kind of got like it's kind of like an upscale, but not too much upscale, but it is upscale. Reminds me of something maybe like West Hollywood style, but not as crazy as West Hollywood. If you guys ever been out in California, and I'm only saying it because of the hills and how the house is set on top of the hills, and then you see like the luxury cars roaming around. Yeah, nice area. Great breakfast spots, great restaurants, which I showed you the Jaguar Negro, aka the Black Jaguar. Yeah, if you also want to party and do all that, they have some nice bars, nice lounges, nice clubs, and located in the area. I remember my brother told me he picked that Airbnb not because it's a penthouse style with 3 full beds and 3 full bathrooms. I knew about the bedrooms, didn't know about the bathrooms as you saw in the video. It was pretty big for what we got. Greatly priced. Location great. Yeah, so again, like I was saying, a little off track. The location is located in San Jose, not downtown San Jose, but it's in that suburb. Everything was around there. The shops, the mall. I remember the mall and the highway is basically like a block or two from that mall. Even though I didn't really film too much in the mall, that's when everything started to cut away, and I guess I was just too tired. I don't know. Yeah, so this was part one. Showed the Airbnb, nice spot, and also we kind of roamed out the town, ate at Jaguar Negro. I didn't do too much filming because we flown in. So yeah, we was tired. So that's why I probably didn't film that much, and then I just kind of wanted to relax, kind of break in, you know, kind of adjust with the time frame. We flown in from Chicago. I was up in Chicago visiting family. Yeah, and then the plane came back, LOL, came back to Florida, from Florida to Costa Rica. Southwest, we've flown Southwest. Southwest does have a lot of flights going into Costa Rica. Yeah, but you will have to deal with some connecting flights. I think they have some non-stop flights. Don't quote me. I do know when leaving Costa Rica, I went through JetBlue, and JetBlue from Costa Rica to Florida did have a lot of non-stop flights. But Southwest, for even the connecting flights, the total flight time was low. So also it was cheaper. But on that note, yes, stay tuned for part 2 and part 3. Those parts I might just combine them. Think about it. I don't know. I'll see. I haven't really got to them yet, but at the time of this video being posted and been up for a little bit, yeah, they'll be out. That's gonna include ATVs, which from our Airbnb, I remember it was a 2-hour drive, and that's because we went from San Jose to Jaco Beach. Yeah, we was all over that country, it feels like. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Also, stay tuned for a San Jose tour video of downtown. I tried some cool foods and all that, and some fruits, interesting fruits that you probably have never seen before. And then also we roamed the country. On our last day, I remember we roamed the country. That was also a tour, but that went all over the place. Now that's that I didn't film all day because total time that was 14 hours. So we was moving for 14 hours. But I do recommend that. So stay tuned. Yes. So if this video is getting you excited for the what's to come, and if you like this video, I know it was a little short, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give a thumbs down. I prefer a thumbs up. You know, helps out the channel. Comment, share, like, tell your friends, family, whatever. And if this kind of helps you get an insight of Costa Rica, I am glad. Hopefully this helps. And yeah, see you on the next one. Jungle Skipper out. Oh my God,